Before performing the service, prepare a clean workspace. Remove the mattress and clear any bedroom furniture or clutter from around and under the adjustable base. This service is best performed with the base turned over. This service requires a Phillips head screwdriver. First, unplug the adjustable base from the outlet or power point. Disconnect the massage puck cord at the connection point approximately 6 inches from the puck. Remove the cord from the wire conduit. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 6 screws located on the 3 tabs around the perimeter of the massage puck. Remove the massage puck. Place the new massage puck with the cord pointed towards the wire conduit. Align each of the tabs of the puck with the tabs on the plastic frame. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, screw in each of the screws located on the tabs around the perimeter of the massage puck. Secure the massage puck cord in the wire conduit. Reconnect the massage puck cord to the connection point at the end of the wire conduit. Now that the replacement is complete, turn the bed over, reapply the mattress, and test the functions to confirm the base is operating as intended. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.